It's Firefest for your face. Okay. Hey guys, so this video is going to be different than something I've ever done on my YouTube channel, but I have been getting increasingly more frustrated over the last few days, and I wanted to talk to you guys about this because in this day and age that we live in with social media, I wanted to make everyone aware, if they weren't, about some scams that are going on online that I see people falling into literally left and right. I've been scrolling around on Instagram recently, and I rarely do go to my explore page. I actually spend the least time on the Instagram app searching around than I do on pretty much any other app. I don't know what it is. I think the algorithm, once it shifted and started favoring popular content and ads and shit like that versus favoring the actual people that I follow, I just stopped caring about it as much, and I really spend a lot less time on the app. I think I used to spend hours on it per day, and now it's less than 15 minutes per day. But I was scrolling on the explore page yesterday, and I saw a teeth whitening ad on there, and I'm gonna show it up on the screen here. And the ad pissed me off, and it was for a teeth whitening gel, and it's Dig White, awesome life hack, white teeth in 2 minutes. And it shows yellow teeth, and you click on Dig White. First of all, it's not even a page, but second of all, it shows these yellow teeth, and it also shows that one little bit of this turns the tooth immediately white. You click in the comments, and there's a bunch of people down there being like, how can I buy this? What's the price? How do I get this? Awesome life hack as well, limited edition teeth whitener. It's these yellow teeth, and they're squirting teeth whitening on, and they rub one finger and the tooth turns immediately bright white. Get this now at 60% off for a limited time. I understand advertising. I understand clickbait. And I understand that not everything you see online should be taken at face value. But I am not the majority. I see so many people getting taken for a ride online, and I really wanted to just point out a couple of different things. So if you see something online that looks too good to be true, it likely is. And also, if you see something online that looks amazing, do more research. And I want to tell you why. I'm going to highlight a few different brands here, and I'm going to be giving you my opinion on everything I've seen. So those were the Instagram ads that I saw. We're going to get back to these teeth whitening ads in a moment, but I'm going to move on and talk to you guys about these Facebook ads that I saw. And I've seen them almost every time I go on Facebook. Now, Facebook... Oh, Facebook's a different app, okay? That is the app I try never to go on because Facebook is fucking garbage. But second of all, some people just post the most horrific shit on Facebook. And also, I just feel like it's one big pyramid scheme. That's another day, another topic. This is the brand that I saw on Facebook, and it's S. Frankie. And it says, this powerful concealer covers acne, loss of pigmentation, post-surgical bruising, tattoos in a flawless way. Get it here. And the product that they are promoting is a product called Foera Flawless Foundation. Foera? I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that word, but it's the ES Frankie. In the video, it shows people with very, very big tattoos on their chest, covering their chest tattoos. It shows social media influencers, and they are using the foundation, and it's absolutely incredible, and it's changing their skin, and you're like, oh my god, dude, what is that? And then you see at the end, it's like, buy this product here. I watched the videos, and something stood out to me. Being that I do social media and that I know a bunch of people in the industry, what stood out to me was that I remember seeing a lot of these videos in my either subscription feed or in my recommended from a year or so ago, and they were all not using a Foera foundation or S. Frankie, but they were using Dermacol. And Dermacol made its rounds last year. It's been a foundation that's been popular on the market for a really long time. Can Dermacol cover? Oh, you bet your ass Dermacol can cover. I've got some stuff on my hand here, and it'll cover anything. It's got a very, very high coverage. It's a really nice foundation. I quite like it. It's got an incredible coverage. It can cover even the darkest of tattoos. It's a great product. And what really pissed me off was that I was in the comment section of the video, and the brand, which is clearly falsely using advertising videos from other people that they don't have permission to. They're using Nikki Tutorials. They're using M. Ford. They're using people with acne struggles that are trying Dermacol. They're using people that were trying Dermacol on their channel or other high coverage foundations like the Huda foundations, and they're using that as though it is their product. And that's First of all, I would imagine illegal. Second of all, it's false advertising, and it's just bullshit in my opinion. The comment section underneath those videos are so sad to me because it's filled with hopeful people who are spending their hard-earned money on a product that isn't even what's being advertised. I feel like it's common sense to do a little bit more research, but I think a lot of people, especially people that aren't in this beauty space, like you guys are watching my YouTube channel right now, and you are likely a beauty enthusiast. You watch other YouTubers, you know about products, and you know that the things that the people you trust online are showing you are what is being shown to you because you see us hold up the bottle, we squeeze the bottle out, we show you the back of our hands, we rub it on our skin. The likelihood is that your favorite YouTuber isn't going to get on camera and falsely use a product and lie to you because we value your opinion. This is a community-based thing. But people outside of our community don't know really that this community exists. And so they wouldn't even know to look further for that information. And they may just trust the advertising that they see online. And that is the case for the Facebook comments. I'm going to go and I'm going to read you some of these comments. Erase all flaws, it says here. I just purchased this. I hope it works. S. Frankie replies, thank you for trusting us. I just bought it. I hope I picked the right shade. It better be as good as the hype. It's not. Does this cover your tattoos without primer or powder as shown in the video? Hi Karen, yes, it will cover your tattoos without using primer. It is air-light texture and matte finish to achieve flawless skin. Is it drying? I have very dry skin. Does it rub off on clothing? I'm gonna need this for my head tattoo. How is it for sensitive skin? I may have to look into this. Does this cover up spider veins on legs? I have rosacea. Will this aggravate it? What about scars and stretch marks? Does it dry? These are all different comments from different people. Different people who are being advertised a product falsely. The product may work just fine, but you know what? As Frankie or whatever the fuck your business is, it might behoove you to start using clips of people using your actual product or hire models, or why don't you use it on yourself and show people how to use it? Because it's false advertising to use Dermacol and throw it off as your own product. It's literally so infuriating to me to see comment sections of people with actual issues on their skin that they want to cover up, and they're hopeful and they're excited and they see a product that touts it being this absolutely incredible, unbelievable coverage, and then they're gonna receive a product that may be fine, sure, but was not what was advertised, and it really pisses me off. I don't know how this is still happening. Like, I understand there are some people out in this world that are just total shitty people who, at the end of the day, it's all about a dollar and it doesn't matter. But you know what? Your business will never have the respect that it deserves when all you do is steal from other creators. I see consistently so many brands online getting away with this. And same back to the teeth whitening thing. 100% Photoshop. I've used like 15 different types of teeth whiteners in my life, and never once, ever, in the history of teeth whiteners is there a single one that the moment it touches your tooth, all you have to do is rub against it and oh my god, voila, teeth are this color. It's not real, and I don't want you guys to fall into the belief that any of that stuff could be real. The comments under videos like that are full of hopeful people who may have some yellowing of their teeth and purchase a product that is literally 100% Photoshop. Those videos are not only not real, they're as fake as humanly possible, and people are gullible. And not only are people gullible, but people want to believe that there are products out there like that that will work for them. And it's so disheartening for me to know that people may save up their money and go online and give their credit card information to people out there who would lie to you in such a way to sell their generally, probably realistically, regular ass peroxide teeth whitener because it works the same in almost every product. I wouldn't have even probably made a video about this if I didn't see so much positivity in the comment section of each of the posts. So many people saying, where can I buy this? And they're directing them to their website. And that's not what you're buying. You are not buying what the ad is showing you. Very, very deceiving. And it's frankly, I would imagine illegal, and it's false advertising nonetheless. It's Firefest for your face, okay? This video right here is not going to reach everybody that it needs to reach. And I wish it would. I wish this video would go viral on Facebook. I wish this video would make its rounds on Instagram. But it's likely not going to. And if you do have somebody that you know, please share the videos with them, because I'm going to put some receipts in this video that show that these companies are straight up lying to you. As consumers, do your research. When you see that they are advertising Nikki tutorials using this product, go try to find that video from Nikki and see what product she was actually using. I'm telling you, it wasn't the S. Frankie foundation. Go see the video of the girl covering her tattoos. Type it into YouTube. Type in girl covering tattoos with foundation. And you know what? You'll see that the video pops up and it is the Dermacol foundation that she was using. And Google, can your teeth turn white immediately? And I'm not saying that every ad you see online is lying to you. That's not the case. I'm just trying to spread the awareness out there to anybody who may have fallen for a Facebook scam or an Instagram scam. They are out there. They are all over the damn place. I've seen it when it comes to magnetic eyelashes, when they're touting magnetic eyelashes, but they're using photos of Gina Shiketa and her gorgeous eyelash extensions, or they're showing anybody in general. Like they're showing M. Ford of her before and after when she was probably using like L'Oreal Pro Glow or like Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and then they're saying it's their foundation. It's not just makeup. I mean, this happens in every avenue, and it's really, really, really upsetting to know that there are companies out there who really value money more than they value their customers, and it's the unfortunate truth, and not always the case. That's the thing. Sometimes these things might be legitimate. I just wanted to put this video out there in case anybody needed to hear it. In short, I just wanted to tell you guys to keep your wits about you when you see stuff online, and really pay attention to the comments and see, you know, if you feel like something's fishy, do your research. And that's really all I can tell you. I just think that it's so sucky that we have to be this careful, but you know, misleading advertising has been happening for as long as advertising has been around, and I just hope that none of you have gotten sucked into anything that ended up not being forthcoming. If you see something, you know, don't always assume that it's bad, especially if it seems, you know, very real or from a reputable company. But a lot of these companies are not reputable, like that one that didn't even have a page that popped up. Like you click on who, they're literally advertising a company that doesn't even have an Instagram page. And maybe that's because it was flagged because it was fake. And let's hope that's the case. I hope people are being smart consumers. And that's all I had to say about that. So I hope this video was even somewhat interesting for you guys. I know this is different from my general content, but I just had to say it. I cannot sit by and watch people get scammed out of their hard-earned money. It just hurts my heart. I thank you guys so much for watching. Share with anybody that you feel like needs to see this. Please subscribe if you have not yet, and I will see you at my next video. Bye!